Alright, but still about ready to enter the last official weekend of January 24th, 2025. See, and he's here, 11:34, coming to you from West Ladysmith again along the Canadian Nationals BNSF main at milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Another one to be precise. Looks like we're gonna have another move roll off the BNSF main. I got a feeling it's the S773 of the 23rd that must have decided to tie up. The new 3881 is back. Second time I get to see that, along with dash 92554. And we'll have the rear DPU of the 2811. To the owners of this 102 sand load to send it up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. So let's check out the S773 of the 23rd as we lean back and get them. Here we go. There's that WFRX 406 24 with that rodeo lettering again. Man, I've been seeing that for the last few years now. Just definitely amazing. The new 3381 was previously a GECX nee-BNSF variant. Temporary pause is going to happen here. Okay, it looks like another train on the Superior Submain is actually passing by, so this may take about a couple more minutes. Like a northbound decides to show up. Take that back, 773 is actually waiting on a southbound to pass on the Superior Submain right now. As soon as the last of the southbound passes, signals will go up for North Y, and then the S773 of the 23rd will restart again. I can hear the chugging, I believe, from the dash 9 of the 2554. Okay, last on southbound should have made the pass by now. And signals will go up for the North Y at control point West Ladysmith. Yeah, I'm sure the new 3381 will have their PTC initialized. And commence the restart to head on north onto the Superior Submain, sending on its way up to Pokegama and onward to Swell Landing, Alberta, Canada. Alright, brakes are off. Looks like they are going to restart. Alright, 11:45, restart has been made. Let's check out the rest of the roll-by after we waited on the southbound to pass on the Superior Submain. 3381 on the 2554 are going to open up the throttle to get it going again. And as soon as that climbs that hill on the north Y, they're going to run it up to full throttle there. And then after that, we'll hear the rear DPU of the 2811 open it up as well from this position. I hear the rear DPU now of the 2811 as she is going to prepare to open up the throttle. CN 3381 and north entering Superior Submain, North Ladysmith, no restrictions. Let's listen to the 2811. GECX 1187 to bring up the last of it. There you go, that'll do it for today's S773 81 of the 23rd. And we'll do it for the new 3381, 2554, and the 2811. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. have a great afternoon, have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CNHays out.